The meeting has ended. Well, it's time to go.
Next in Vyond Kids Retro, Paw Patrol. After Paw Patrol, Thomas and Friends. After Thomas and Friends, Barney and Friends. Sorry, but there is nothing next in Vyond Kids Retro. Why? Because we are going to low ratings and change to a new name, Vyond Kids Retro 4K. But we're not doing that yet, we still have the last commercial break. So, enjoy toddlers, kids and adults.
Are you driving to the restaurants that there are foods you don't like?
Yes. We always do that.
Hey, we should go to Green Diner.
What a great idea.
Go to Green Diner with varieties of food to choose from. Green Diner. Foods cost $4 to $7. The joy of eating the food. Foods are fresh and yummy. Green Diner. Visit today.
Are you always paying with money or using the credit card?
Yes, I do that.
Then you can use coupons. Firstly, click Pay. If you see this screen, click Yes. Click Yes again. Then your package will be delivered in your house or location. Vyond Delivery App. Warning, you must be 18 years old or above to use this app. Using this app when you're below 18 years old without your parents' or guardian's permission is not allowed.
The Light. The new logo, Samsung Light Galaxy S7. For sale in August 2018.
The solar system. Earth, Moon, Mars. Mission to Mars. Alien meet. Exploration. Do you see the Earth? Yes. That's where we live, but in space, you can see more planets. The Space Teacher. Learn space in Mondays to Fridays 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Now we will bring Michael Larchin, the owner of Vyond Kids Retro.
Hello people, my name is Michael Larchin. And today is the sad day for us all. Why might you ask? Well, because we are signing off this channel. Why? Because we got to low ratings. And we will have to replace this channel to Vyond Kids Retro 4K, and this channel number will be 178. And now, I have something to say. Firstly, this channel would still be loved by toddlers and kids. Secondly, at this Wednesday, we will replace this channel with Vyond Kids Retro 4K. The reason is, like I said, we are going to low ratings and bankrupt. Thirdly, you would also be able to buy our merchandise in www.vyondkidsretro.com. The website would still be able to continue, but it will be needed to switch names. It will be www.vyondkidsretro4k.com. Fourthly, it will not shut down for good. And also, like I said, we will replace this channel with Vyond Kids Retro 4K, so the content will remain the same. And that's all I have to say. I wish you all to have a great day.
Hi, I am Olivia Brown. And I will just miss this channel. I wish you all a great day.
Hi, I'm Josh Big. I'll miss this channel so much. I worked here for 8 years. Have a great day, you all.
Hi, I am Matt Trush. I will miss this channel so much that I will never forget. I wish you all have a great day.
Hi, I am Grace Susan. I will miss this channel so much. I wish you all have a great day.
Hi, I am Jimmy Ergo. I will miss this channel. Goodbye, Vyond Kids Retro. Have a great day all.
So, goodbye kids. Vyond Kids Retro for 43 years. But don't worry, we're going to replace it.